Welcome to our channel, where health meets understanding. In today's journey, we're shedding light on a subject close to many hearts around the globe: stomach cancer. It's a condition that might whisper its presence through signs we often overlook, signs that appear on the very skin we're in. Stomach cancer, also known as gastric cancer, develops when cells in the stomach start growing uncontrollably. This type of cancer is particularly tricky because it often stays hidden without any signs, making early detection challenging. Before we move on, let's highlight the common signs of stomach cancer. These can include feeling nauseous, experiencing unexpected weight loss, and sometimes having stomach pain. What exactly leads to stomach cancer? One reason could be the food we eat, especially if it's heavily smoked or processed. Another culprit is a tiny yet harmful bacteria known as H. pylori, which can cause infections in the stomach lining. Not to forget, smoking doesn't just harm your lungs, it's also a known factor that increases the risk of developing stomach cancer. And if you've had long-term stomach issues like inflammation, it's crucial to stay vigilant. These conditions can elevate your risk too. Now, let's shift our focus to a less known aspect of stomach cancer: its potential to reveal itself through your skin. These signs are rare, but serve as critical indicators that there could be underlying issues. While these skin-related signs are uncommon, recognizing them could be key to identifying stomach cancer early on. It's these subtle hints that sometimes lead to discovery and diagnosis. The first unusual skin sign we're discussing is the Liesel-Trelot sign. This condition is characterized by the sudden appearance of multiple growths on the skin. They might resemble ordinary moles at first glance. However, these aren't just any growths. They're a rare indication that something more serious might be happening inside the body, possibly related to an internal cancer. It's important to pay attention to such changes. While the Liesel-Trelot sign is rare, its appearance could be a crucial early warning sign of stomach cancer. Moving on, we encounter another skin condition known as acanthosis nigricans. This leads to thickened, darker patches of skin commonly found in body folds such as the underarms or neck. While acanthosis nigricans can occur for various reasons, a sudden onset or change in these skin areas could be a subtle hint pointing towards something more serious, like an underlying cancer. It's crucial to be aware of these signs, especially if they appear or change suddenly. Such skin changes, while not always alarming, warrant a closer look by a healthcare professional. Welcome to our health channel. Today, we're exploring an important topic that affects many around the world: stomach cancer, and how it can show up in ways you might not expect, like on your skin. Stomach cancer, or gastric cancer, happens when unhealthy cells in the stomach grow out of control. It's a serious condition that can be hard to detect early because it often doesn't cause symptoms until it's more advanced. Before we talk about the skin, let's understand some common signs of stomach cancer. These might include feeling nauseous, unexpected weight loss, and sometimes stomach pain. Causes can vary, but include eating a lot of smoked foods, infections like H. pylori, smoking, or long-term stomach inflammation. It's important to know these as they can increase your risk. Now let's talk about how stomach cancer might show up on your skin. While these signs are less common, they're crucial clues that something might be wrong inside. One rare skin change is called the Liesel-Trelot sign. It appears as sudden multiple growths that might look like moles, but are actually linked to internal changes caused by cancer. Another condition, acanthosis nigricans, causes thick, darker areas of skin, often in folds like underarms. While not always linked to cancer, sudden changes here can be a signal. Our next focus is dermatomyositis, a condition marked by a distinctive rash. It typically appears around the eyes and on the knuckles, and it might even be accompanied by muscle weakness. This isn't just any rash, it's often the immune system's reaction to an underlying issue. While dermatomyositis can have various triggers, it is also known to be a potential signal for stomach cancer. Recognizing dermatomyositis' unique signs, especially if they develop suddenly, could be key in prompting further investigation into their cause, including the possibility of cancer. One final noteworthy sign is known as tripe palms. This term describes a unique condition where the skin on the palms thickens significantly, creating a distinctive rigid and textured appearance, much like the surface of tripe. While tripe palms may be on the rarer side of symptoms, its presence can be a tangible indicator of underlying health issues, including stomach cancer. It's a visual sign that shouldn't be overlooked. Spotting tripe palms might be unusual, but is a visual hint that could tie back to your overall wellness. This rare skin alteration points to the intricate ways our health can manifest externally. Recognizing stomach cancer early can significantly change the outcome. Notice something unusual on your skin. If these changes come with symptoms we've talked about, it might be time to consult a healthcare professional. Your skin is like a storybook of your body's internal health. Changes, especially those out of the ordinary, can be crucial hints pointing to bigger health stories unfolding within. Early detection plays a pivotal role in managing stomach cancer. Keeping an eye out for these signs and acting swiftly can lead to more effective treatments and better health outcomes. As we wrap up, let's not forget the power of observation. Your vigilance about changes in your skin and overall health could be your strongest ally in maintaining well-being. We're grateful you joined us to explore how our skin can speak volumes about our internal health. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay proactive about your health. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more insights that empower your health journey. Let's embrace learning together, keeping our health stories positive and proactive. By subscribing, you're joining a community dedicated to understanding and improving health. Together, we can face health challenges with knowledge, empathy, and action.